If you're taking an iodine supplement and it's not USDA certified organic, I encourage you to throw it away and try one that is. The challenge with iodine supplements is most of them out there are not USDA certified organic. USDA certified organic matters because it means that there's no GMOs, pesticides, herbicides, insecticides, and other contaminants in there. And so what did we do? Of course, we went out and we created and certified our iodine to be USDA certified organic and clean. So if you're not taking an iodine supplement, I highly suggest that you do. If you are taking one and it's not organic, I highly suggest you try ours. It's backed by a 1-year money-back guarantee. We have tons of 5-star reviews. People are loving our iodine. I think you will too. Try it today and let me know how you feel.